What's up, guys? My name is Ruben. Welcome back to Einnor Studio. We're here in Atlanta at Einnor Studios in Alpharetta, Georgia. I think that's how it's pronounced, hopefully. We're just working on some stuff. We're here for the R&B Money podcast, and we're also recording some songs. I'm going to show you around the studio a little bit. This is the first time working here for me, so I'm still learning the studio. You see I got the patch bay there. We got it all hooked up for the podcast with the tie lines right there. And I'm just going to kind of give you a rundown of how it's set up, or how I have it set up for our situation. All right, let's check it out. All right, so when you walk in the door of the studio, you have this lounge here. It's a cool lounge, it's a bathroom there. A little kitchen action. Keep the door closed. Then we're gonna walk into the studio. So we have obviously potty equipment over here, but I'm just gonna give you a small rundown. We have an SSL Origin. Big screen, TV mirrored. They have some Osbergers, however you say his name, with a sub. Some focals. What number are these? I don't know. They're pretty good though. They sound pretty good. They have these modified powered NS10 type speakers. They're cool. Trackball gang. So again, these focals are actually really good. Patch bay, which we'll get into a bit. B15, SSL channel 1, CL1B tube tech. All right. Some cables. Like I said, we got the Manly microphone here. A mirror of Pro Tools. Power supply. Plugged in, channel 1. You can just take a quick look at their patch bay. But as far as the vocal from the booth, it's coming into the SSL. This is the SSL Origin. We're going into channel 1, that's my preamp. And then we're going into the CL1B, my favorite compressor. Let's look at the rack space. There's a Need 1073. High Z guitar input. There's our tube tech. There's our sync. We're running at 48K session. We're locked up. And they got a distressor, which is my other favorite compressor. So they actually have my two favorites.
We were mostly prepared.
As we can see, we're doing a podcast, so those are Jacob's lights. Some of the gear he's got. And there's another light over there that's off. And let's see. The reason this keyboard is here is for the podcast. Okay, let's look at this. All right, so this Motif is the only keyboard they had here. So it's this big giant monster Motif. We usually have a speaker on our little keyboard, so we had to run the line out. We ran it to this powered NS10 thing, and then I just mic'd it up. So that's how we're running the piano sound into the computer. Big Motif. Let's check out this studio. Booth. So look, this is a Dolby room. Boom, boom. There, okay. That guy, this guy, and then one there, up over there. Psh, psh. Crazy. Before we leave Atlanta, which we leave today, I'm going to show you the signal flow of the podcast, how we had it hooked up over there. There's Jacob right there. He has a sick YouTube channel. I'm going to link it below. Check him out. Sick stuff. Don't be stupid. And here we go. All right, so probably from the other videos, I had a chair there, microphone 1, microphone 2, the guest. Jay's mic was there. They were all plugged into this tie line here, right here. So I was going through 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I was using for the piano. That was going there. So on the patch bay, as you can see, in this situation, the control room right here, right there. This control room 1 through 8 is actually that credenza there. 1 through 8 there. That's that credenza right there, that tie line. So see, I have mic 1, mic 2, 3, 4 coming from the tie lines, and then I have them patched into Pro Tools. Now in this situation, you see I have going into 2, 3, 4, 5. That's because there was some sort of noise on number 1, so I didn't like it. So I just went into 2, 3, 4, 5, which were these preamps right here. So 2, 3, 4. See, that's the piano. I had that turned down a little bit. And then 5, which is actually microphone number 1. And that's it. And that's it. And we're running that straight into Pro Tools. Recorded there. So that's pretty much it. We're in Atlanta. What do we do, Jacob? Let's see. 9 pods, 2 songs. How many days? 6 days? 6 days?
7 days.
7 days, 9 pods, 2 songs, new studio. We leave tonight, and we'll see you later. Check out his channel. Till next time, know your studio.